Welcome to the channel. This is Matangi, and today we are going to see about what is energy minimization and how to do energy minimization in the Yazara energy minimization server. So, energy minimization, in my previous video I have shown how to do a protein modeling in a Swiss model server. The protein modeling doesn't end there. We have to do the proper modeling. So after the protein modeling in any server or any software, you have to energy minimize the structure, and you have to structure define the protein structure. Then only it would be the complete protein modeling. So in this video we are going to see about the energy minimization. So after you have modeled any protein in any server or any software, after that you have to do the energy minimization. That is why we have to do the energy minimization is we have to bring the modeled conformation of our protein to the lowest energy conformation, that is nearest to its native conformation of the protein. Usually the protein, it exists in a native state, that is in a properly folded state. So we know that protein folding is a spontaneous process. So in a spontaneous process, the protein, it spontaneously folded into the lowest energy conformation. It adopts the lowest energy conformation. So we do energy minimization to bring the modeled conformation of the protein to the lowest energy conformation, that is nearest to the native conformation of the protein. So that's why we are doing the energy minimization. So now we will see about the Yazara energy minimization server. So just go to Google Chrome or any browser, just type Yazara energy minimization server. You will see the screen like this. So just give your email address and upload your protein modeled file, and just click submit, and within 24 hours you will get an email with which the results links were sent. So just click the link. You will download a file. That file is in the .scene file, that is in the Yazara scene file. It's not in the PDB file or something. You cannot be view or open it in any PyMol or something. So it's in the .scene file. So you can only view this file in the Yazara view application. So in the same email below, they have mentioned that in order to view this kind of scene file format, you have to download the Yazara view application, and also they will give the Yazara view applications link. So just click the link, download and install the Yazara view application, and after the application downloaded and installed, you will get a Yazara folder like this. You can see in the screen. So in the Yazara folder, just click. You have lots of folders and files. So in that you can see the Yazara application. So that is 11,670 KB. So it's the Yazara application. So just click it, and also the file. You can see there's a file 000222043. That is the file that I downloaded through the link to the results link. So it's in the .scene file. So you can only view it in the Yazara view application. So once you have clicked that Yazara application, you will see the window like this. This is the Yazara view. So just go to file, new, sorry, just go to file, load, Yazara scene. So in the it directly go to the Yazara folder. So I have already pasted the .scene file in the Yazara folder. You can also paste it. So I choose the .scene file and click OK. So now we can get two molecules. That is, start is the protein model before energy minimization, and end is the protein model after energy minimization. And we know in case of negative sign, that is highest value is the lowest value and lowest value is the highest value. That is you can see in the start, that is the protein model before energy minimization. The energy is minus 23,931.2 kilojoules, and the model after energy minimization, you can see the energy is minus 39,390.3. That is, the energy has decreased. We not only we can see the difference in the energy, we can also see the difference in the conformation of the both molecules, that is the molecule before and after energy minimization, by calculating the RMSD value in the pi mole, and I will also show how to do that in pi mole. So once you have viewed, you can save this file in the PDB file. You can save this. So just end protein, okay. Then in C drive. So in the same Yazara folder, they have given a file. Just overwrite on the same file. So I have overwrite on the file. So just go to Yazara folder. You can see the PDB folder. In that you can see here the file. I have overwritten the file. So just copy it and paste it. Give the different name and save it in any of your folders. So I have saved here. You can see that this M1 is the model before energy minimization, and EM model is the model that is after energy minimization. And now we are gonna calculate RMSD value in pi mole. So after opening pi mole, just go to file, open, and just choose the two files, and you can see that is the EM model energy minimized one and the model one that is before energy minimization. So just calculate the RMSD value, that is we can align or superimpose one molecule over the other molecule. That's how we can calculate the RMSD value. So just go to action, align two molecule, model 1. So you can see the RMSD value is 0.412. That is, if you align or superimpose the same conformation molecule, the RMSD value would be 0. That's a difference in the conformation. That's why it's showing the difference in the RMSD value, that is 0.412. You can also see the difference by difference in the following molecules conformation by generating the Ramachandran plot in the SOPS database or any other database. Just generate Ramachandran plot and compare the residues in the most favored regions and the disallowed regions. Surely it would have changed or improved further better. So that's how you can do the energy minimization in the Yazara energy minimization server. So that's all for the today's video, guys. Thank you so much.